Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AWS Solutions Hub. My name is Amol. From today, I'll be starting a new course on AWS FinOps. In many organizations, there is an increase in demand for FinOps engineers. One of the reasons initially, many industries migrated to cloud considering the on-premise cost. Uh, but when they migrated to cloud, they realized they are spending more on cloud than on-premise cost. Then the need of FinOps engineers realized they wanted a dedicated team who will keep an eye on cloud spend. Understanding market need, I thought of creating this course, which will help those who wanted to move into FinOps engineer role, as well as it will help to those who works on FinOps. It will make them understand how FinOps is beneficial for their organization, their project, and how it is important. Quick intro, my name is Amol. I have 14 plus years of IT industry experience, and currently I am a FinOps lead for my organization. So let's start our journey. First and foremost, the question everyone would ask, why it's important for me to know FinOps, correct? So one of the biggest challenge in today's industries is managing the cloud spend. Industries wanted to have a control on cloud cost, cloud spend. Few of the facts that I have gathered is majority of the companies are not just overspending but significantly overspending on public cloud. So in one of the report it was said over 100 billion each year they are spending overspending on public cloud. Operating in cloud is much different than working in traditional on-premises data centers. Understanding cloud pricing is so complex and dynamic. There are visible and abstract and hidden charges also, which we don't have visibility as engineers. We need to go deep, find out those charges, and add it to our cloud cost. As I said, 82% of organizations say that their number one cloud challenge is managing the cloud spending. Then the next question comes, why do we overspend or how does overspending occur? Engineers or developers, they mainly focus on application development. They mainly focus on application performance than the services or resource cost. And few of the factors which contribute to overspending are over provisioned and oversized resources than they needed. Uh, we tend to provide or we tend to spin up the resources, either they are over provisioned or they are oversized than they needed, and we end up paying more. Orphan resources, we forgot to delete the resources when no longer needed, and they sit there on our AWS account and they will incur the charge for you. Abstract or hidden charges, there is additional cost to our resources which we don't see it clearly. For example, data transfer charges, backups, or storage operations. Maybe we don't have enough visibility to take the right actions at right time, so we end up paying or end up overspending. As I said, there is no visibility and control since, and it is one of the reasons we the overspend occurs. We might be doing the old school processes. We might be using old procurement and financial processes which don't support decentralization in the cloud, and limited people are involved in an investment lifecycle. Not using optimized cloud resources. You might be not using or not taking advantage of more economical and more modern purpose built platform as a services, or you are not taking the benefit of the discount models or the commitment models that cloud provider provides us. So I have listed some of the reasons which contribute to overspending. And looking at this reason, there is no wonder how easy it is to overspend with cloud computing. What does cloud cost management involve? It is not just about optimization. We need to take into considerations few other factors also which will help in doing the cloud cost management. You need to bring organization and cultural changes. You need to define the operating model and process to be adapted. There has to be accountability model which involves show back and charge back to customer. Governance, it's one of the uh, it's one of the key factor when we talk about the cloud cost management. uh, the governance of the resources, governance of the cost, that needs to be understood in cloud cost management. Tools gives us visibility of the cloud spend. They help us in budgeting, alerting and monitoring of the cost. It helps us to take the actions at right time. So tools is one of the important factor in cloud cost management. Organizing the resources is another important factor. If you organize the resources, it will help us to reduce our cost. Cost anomalies need to be managed and detected. Having said that, what we will learn here, what I have got for you in this course. Okay, so we will start with introduction, then we will understand cloud pricing concepts. We will look into how to do the cost estimation using different AWS tools. We will look into the saving plans and reservations that AWS provides. We will then move into how the people and organizational change required when it comes to cost optimization or when it comes to cloud cost management. Accountability, one of the key factor in FinOps. So we will look into it, what it contributes in FinOps. Foundation for allocation of resources, tagging strategies is to the help us to organize the resources. So we need to have a proper tagging strategy which helps us to understand the organizing the resources. We will go through billing, services and cost console, where we will explore cost explorer, cost optimization hub. We will see how they bring us the visibility from a cost perspective. Using this billing services, as I said, it brings visibility and how we can analyze the cost. Visualization and interactive dashboards is key factor again in FinOps. So we need to have a interactive dashboard and the solution for this is QuickSight. What are the different optimization strategies? How do we do budgets? How do we monitor the budgets? How do we trigger the alerts when we are near to crossing the budget? How to define the resources? How to organize the resources? And what are different services and tools in FinOps? With this, we have come to an end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that when I add sessions into this course, you will get notified. So let's start our FinOps journey together. I'll make sure you will learn most out of this course. Thank you.